The Liebherr profile grinding machine for large gears, equipped with the PGH450FX machining head, offers innovative technologies for precise and efficient processing. The PGH450FX is available in two configurations, with a single spindle for precise applications and with two spindles for increased flexibility and higher productivity. Depending on the application, the spindles can be configured either as high-torque spindles for maximum performance, or as high-speed spindles with high rotational speeds for small tools when machining collision-critical gears. Optionally, instead of the second spindle, an internal grinding arm can be installed within a very short time for machining internal gears. The dual spindle system allows for roughing, finishing, and polishing operations to be performed without the need to change tools. Thanks to the unique double dresser, which simultaneously dresses both the left and right flanks of the grinding wheel, dressing times are cut in half. The NC-controlled coolant nozzles ensure optimal tracking and improve machining quality. Our new profile grinding machine platform comprises 4 models: the LGP 800, LGP 1200, LGP 1600, and LGP 2000. The LGP 800 can also be equipped with workpiece automation. Discover the future of profile grinding with the new Liebherr profile grinding machine. Efficiency, flexibility, and the highest precision, all in one machine.